How to schedule post on Facebook page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and then navigate and switch to the page. And say for example you wanted to schedule this post right here. After you write your post and edit it, maybe you want to add some pictures or location or emojis or tag some people, etc. Once you're done, click on the next at the top right corner of the screen, and here you will see the section that says scheduling options, and it tells you you can publish your post now or schedule it for later. Select the second option that says schedule for later, and you will get this pop-up calendar right here, which will allow you to choose the day that you want to schedule your post for. Once you do that, click on OK, and here you will get this pop-up clock that will allow you to choose maybe the time to publish or schedule your post. Once you choose that, click on OK, and as you can see, the scheduling date has been appeared. It says tomorrow 11/10 at 18:30 p.m. Once you're done, just click on post at the top right corner to schedule the post, and it will be posted at the exact time that you choose. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can schedule posts and post them later on a Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.